Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with so many Saturday deals. These are your deals for Dollar General this Saturday, which is February 1st. Can you believe it's February already? This is crazy. Anyways, we have our cheat sheet up for you and that will be linked in the description box below, and you can print that out for free every week. We have P&G deals in this video. We have your Saturday 5 off 25. We tried to mark everything that was new system or old system friendly to make it a little bit easier. I know that eventually we're all going to have new systems, so we do have to adjust. We're trying to make that as easy as possible. Make sure you scan everything with your app to make sure your coupons are attaching to the size, scent, packaging, etc., flavor, all of those things, because some items only certain scents will attach. In order for the P&G to activate, if you are using the Febreze air spray, the only one that it's attaching is the Bora Bora that will attach to your 5 off 25 and to activate that P&G coupon. So with that said, let's hop into our deals. We are starting with pet care. For $10.85, you can get 2 of the Purina Soft Bites, the Febreze Air and the Febreze Warmer, and that will be $18.85. This is a new system friendly deal. Our cat deal is $16. You're going to get 2 of the Purina One, the Febreze Plug, the Febreze Air, and 2 of the Russell Stover candies. Again, this one is also new system friendly. Now we're going to move into grocery. For $16, you can get 3 Pepsi, 2 Doritos, and a Maxwell House coffee. You're going to use all the coupons that you see here, and this will work at both new and old system. So if it says new system friendly, it'll work at both systems. For $12.45, you can get 2 of the DiGiorno pizzas. One is the $9.95, I think it is, and the other one is the $6.75. The 2-liter Pepsi and 2 Doritos for just $12.45. To make it new system friendly, you would add in the Hellmann's. We do have a coupon for, and that would just make it $3 more than what you would pay without it. For $15.50, this is a P&G deal as well. You get your Crest, your Oral-B toothbrushes, your Olay moisturizer, and body wash. New system friendly. This will activate your 3 off 10, 5 off 15, 5 off 20, and as you can see here, we have another deal for $14.35. You're going to get your Dove shampoo, body wash, lotion, your Pantene shampoo and conditioner. This is also new system friendly for $14.35. This next deal, you're going to get your Pantene shampoo and conditioner, Root to End hairspray, sorry about that, your Tresemme mousse, and your Crest 3D white, and that will be $13. And this one would work at, it should work at either system. For $12.35, we have your Dove Men's Care body wash, the deodorant, Head and Shoulders, Old Spice, and a Dove women's deodorant. That is $12.35, and this should work at both systems. This is a P&G deal as well. So for $17, you can get 2 of the Always Boutique underwear, and that will activate your 3 off 10, 5 off 15, or 5 off 20. You would pay $17, and it is new system friendly. This is also a P&G deal for $19. You can get 2 of the Always Discreet pads. Then again, this one new system friendly. This will activate your 3 off 10, your 5 off 15, 5 off 20, or your 8 off 30, and you're going to pay $19 out of pocket but earn those back. For $12.10, you're going to get your Dove Beauty Bar, Dove shampoo, Dove lotion, Dove men's and women's deodorant, and you're going to pay $12.10. And as you can see, this one is also new system friendly. For $8, you can get 2 of the Axe body wash, the Airwick Essentials Mist, and the Febreze Plug. Again, that will be $8 out of pocket. We are going to move into our baby deals. And this is a P&G deal as well. So $14.85, you can get 2 Loves, the Pampers large size wipes and the small size of wipes, and that would be $14.85. This will activate the 3 off 10, the 5 off 15, and the 5 off 20, and is new system friendly. This one is also a P&G. For $13.30, you would get your Pampers diapers, the large Pampers wipes, the smaller Pampers wipes, the Febreze. This has to be the Bora Bora scent. and the Febreze warmer. Again, it will activate your P&G coupon up to the $20 limit. For $13.75, we're in our household. You're going to get 3 of the Angel Soft that you see there, of the $5.95 size that is, and 2 of the $3.95. This is an old system deal. For a new system, for $17.25, you get the same Angel Soft products plus 2 of the Palmolive and pay $17.25. This one is new system friendly. If you drop off the Palmolive, that would be an old system deal. This deal here for $14.50 is your Sparkle paper towels, your Purex, your Snuggle, and your Fabuloso. Again, $14.50 out of pocket, new system friendly. This next deal is $13. You can get your Bounty paper towels and your Charmin toilet paper. Now, on this one, I'm sorry, it should be $13.70 on that. I did not change the price. It's $13 in coupons. So $26.70 is your subtotal. That was old system. This one is new system. You would just add in the Febreze warmer. Again, it is not $13. It is $13.70. I made a mistake in my math there on that screenshot. So $13.70 is what you would pay. This is the new system version. For $8, this is a P&G deal. You get your Swiffer Pet Mop, your Swiffer Pet Refills, and the Febreze warmer. Again, $8. This will activate your P&G, which goes up to the 3 off 10, up to the 5 off 20. For $8.50, you can get 2 of the Swiffer Wet Refills, 2 Palmolive. This is a P&G deal. Again, this one is $8.50 out of pocket. For $12.50, you're going to get your Snuggle, your Arm & Hammer, your Airwick 5-count refills, and the Glade 2-pack of candles. This is new system friendly. It'll be $12.50 out of pocket. Our next air care deal, you can get the Essentials Mist Warmer. You can also get the 5-count of oil refills, and that would be $9 out of pocket, new system friendly. Our next deal is 2 Palmolive, the Fabuloso, the Finish Tabs, the Finish Jet Dry, and the Mr. Clean Eraser for $12.45. Again, new system friendly on this one as well. Our next deal is a P&G deal. For $15.50, you can get your Purex, your Snuggle, and 2 of the Swiffer Wet. As you can see, it will activate your 3 off 10, 5 off 15, 5 off 20, etc. For $7, you can get 2 of the Finish tabs plus the Febreze warmer. Those Finish tabs are the $12 ones. They are buy one, get one free, and the Finish coupon takes off $12, so that's how you're getting it so cheap. For $14.15, you're going to get your Gain Flings, your True Living bleach, and the Febreze spray. I did the Bora Bora on that one, I believe. You're going to pay $14.15. This is an old system deal. For $17, you can get your 4 Gain items, which is the softener, the beads, the sheets, and the flings, plus 2 of the Swiffer Wet Pet, and that would make it $17, new system friendly. For $12.25, you can get the same thing, the beads, the flings, the softener, the sheets, the Febreze plug, and the True Living bleach, and pay $12.25. This is an old system deal. For $13.50, you're going to get 2 Arm & Hammer, a Snuggle, the Fabuloso, and the Mr. Clean. Again, $13.50 out of pocket, new system friendly. Now we're going to move into some P&G deals that I carried over from last video that we put out with the P&G. So for $15.85, you can get your Cascade, your 2-pack Febreze, your Dawn, your Gain, and your Magic Eraser, new system friendly. This will activate your 8 off 30 P&G. For $21.60, we have your Luvs, your Pampers. That's the diapers and the wipes on that, and it's $21.60, new system friendly. This one here, $19.50. You're going to get your Olay body wash, face moisturizer, and the Secret whole body spray. That will be $19.50 out of pocket. You can get back your 8 off $801 on this one. For $28, you can get your Always, your Tampax, and your Secret whole body, and that would be $28 out of pocket. And this would be the getting back the 10 off 1001. This is also receiving the 10 off 1001. You can get 2 Loves, 2 Pampers, a 2-pack of the Febreze, and the Pampers wipes. And that is the large wipes and the small wipes. It's not 2 Pampers. I'm sorry about that. And that's all we have for you. I hope you enjoyed these. I will link in the description box below to the cheat sheet so that you can print that out for free. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you get notified when I put out new content. You can find us in the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with the next big deal soon. Bye, guys.